Tunnel essentially simplifies payment process for equipment manufacturers. By doing this, it helps them avoid a fees that comes along with a subscription model. This not only helps reduce costs, it also streamlines the entire payment process and makes it much easier for vendors to receive their payments on time.
So the step one was to really understand what the project is, what the product is, and how in layman terms one can explain it to the target audience. So that was step one. Then step two was to identify a very distinct character and a look in a very crowded market. Then step three was to actually put the entire communication together and explain who they are and diligently, chalk out the benefits of the product. So that's how we solved the problem. We did a very minimal but very easily explainable website, which kind of gave all the benefits instantly and drove the entire audience to it.
So the client himself was actually very helpful in this process. He helped give us all the information in a very organized manner. Like, understanding these processes took us some time. He sat with Sharath, who's our lead strategist, and he really explained the entire process to him in detail. And Sharath was able to make this value proposition map. Some companies, they have more than one value proposition, right? So Tunnel is one such company, and in this map, he was able to map out the various value propositions and how they start and what is the solution Tunnel gives for these. This project actually, since they had to go live for a conference, we had to complete it within 4 weeks, and we stuck to the timeline to the T. Like, we culled out 1 week for development, 1 week for design, and it all went completely smoothly.
In terms of specific design choices that we took, one was the entire brand route, which was the color and the look and feel of the website, which was very specific to payments and would resonate with the target audience. The second was to explain most concepts, which are abstract concepts, with animation, so that it's very easy for people to understand and gather what the company is doing and exactly list out the value proposition. I think the animations really added value to the entire website, because what would have been explained in words and would not still be understood was very easily explainable in animation. So we chose to go the animated route, although it was small time frames, but yet we managed to pull it off.
So the two teams that played an important role during this entire project, I mean, not only the design team, but even the development team and the animation team. Even though the visuals were quite simple, the animators really brought some life to these visuals. They helped enhance the copy, and that is what a website should aim to do, right? Even if it's a simple website, the copy should really be compelling. And that's how the lead strategist of our team, Mr. Sharath, helped us.
So our team is structured in a way that everybody kind of huddles together and understands what each person's job is in the team. And we kind of work very cohesively. It's something that we've mastered over the last 3-4 years. And the animation team, the strategy team, the design team all worked in sync with each other. Of course, it was driven by content and driven by strategy, but as soon as the strategy was in place, we defined the entire structure of the content and divided up the work within the team. Each person knew what the other person was doing, so we were working quite cohesively. The entire plan was clear to the team. And I think that's why we successfully were able to complete the project in 4 weeks' time. Otherwise, it could have taken longer as well. But since everybody knew what their individual tasks were, we were able to collaborate quite successfully.
Since we were building a fresh look for Tunnel, we decided to do a whole brand reveal, where Vignesh, who was a part of our animation team, was able to come up with a short video for our social media collaterals. The developer Saurabh also, I was behind him, and he really struggled with putting in all the animations I had in mind. But ultimately, he did a good job within the time frame that we had. The scope of the project did not expand. They essentially did not have a presence before they came to us. They wanted us to do the branding as well as the website design, and they had nothing in this realm before. So they needed a completely new and fresh perspective. since even in their pitch decks before, they were just using the logo in the form of text rather than having a brand identity that was built for them.
So one of the things that really benefited us was the clarity that the client had at his end to brief us. Most times we are actually struggling to understand the brief, and we have to deep dive through many sessions to actually understand a brief. But in his case, he was very precise as to what the brief was, and he was able to really put it very clearly to us. His presentation deck was very clear in terms of what he was proposing, and that really helped us collaborate with him more easily. In terms of his feedback, I think he was satisfied with the output, and also it did help him get clients on board, and that was the ultimate purpose of the website. So that's the feedback he gave us. Another feedback that we've consistently got, not only from this client but other clients as well, is that our understanding of products helps us express the product very well. And unless we understand what the client is doing, we are not going to be able to design for it. So one of the key things that we have integrated into our process is actually really understanding what each product is, and then to be able to communicate about it.
I think the client had a great response to it. He was really happy with the output, especially since he gave us such little time. He placed a lot of trust, I would say, in the team. He came with as little feedback as possible, especially in terms of design. He knew how much limited time we had at hand. So he focused his efforts into giving his feedback on the copy and what we were trying to communicate rather than the design. He had a really good response towards it, and he gave us a lot of good feedback.